Welcome back to my new video. I am Tarun Kumar JS studying my BE in Sri Venkateshwar College of Engineering. Currently I am studying in second semester. My section is Devo. My course is Artificial Intelligence. My USN is 1BE23CA048. Subject is Computer Aided Engineering Drawing. Subject code is BCEDK203. A square lamina of 40 mm side rests on one of its sides on HP. The lamina makes 30° to HP and the sides on which it rests makes 45° to VP. Draw its projections. So now let us draw a projections. First, a square lamina of 40 mm side rests on one of the sides of HP. So a square lamina 40 mm. First let me draw a XY line of 0.50 mm. So here it is a XY line. Next I will select a square and I will select a 0.50 mm and I will draw a width of a square as 40 mm and angle as 0°. I will place a square on HP. I will mark as Y and X and Y line. So as I took the square, I will mark out a sides of square as A, B, C and D. Next I will take a line of 0.13 mm and I attach every corner to the XY line. So we can see here AB line joins and BC line joins together. Next I will dark out the line of A and D on XY line. Next I will give a text as A dash B dash in bracket A dash. Next I will give it a name as C dash and D dash. Next I will take out a length of the side that should be 40 mm. As question continues, the lamina makes a 30° to HP. So we want to draw a 30° line. I will select the upper line and I will place on XY line. I will move that line to the XY line. Next I will select the rotate option and from one end I will rotate the line to the 30°. Next I will mention as 30°. So it will be 30°. I will mark here 30°. I take a line of 0.13 mm and I draw out a line straight towards HP. Next I will draw a straight lines from HP. Next I will give the sides as names as A, B, C and D. I will select a line of 0.50 mm and I will dark out the line A and B, C, D, D to A. I dark out the square. So next I'll Continue doing. Coming to the question, which is, let's make 45 degree to VP. Draw its projections. So it is 45 degree to VP. We must draw its projections. So I will select one side. Makes a 45 degree. So I will take a line of 0.13 mm and I will draw a line from XY line towards down to HP. Next, I'll measure the angle between them, that I'll enter to the 45 degree. So I got a 45 degree line. I take a length. I'll copy out the full square and I'll move that square from there to x 45 degree line. I'll place on 45 degree line. Now I'll go to rotate command and I'll rotate by clicking one side, other side, so that I'll rotate that, so that now AB lies on 45 degree line. Next I'll take out the lines of 0.13 mm. I draw straight line upwards to VP from all the corners. I'll take line from A and I'll connect to that A. I'll take line from B and I'll connect to B. Now let us mark a points as from A to B, C and D. Now let us join them all. So it is the answer for the question. Thank you for watching this video. Meet in the next video.